Hi, I'm Sammy. Welcome to the Gig House Kitchen. Let's mix. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make my signature bitter orange cocktail. So let's get mixing. So you might be thinking that Let's Mix has a bit of an orangey theme. Well, you'd be surprised how many cocktails have orange or triple sec in them. It's a lot. I remember when I first started working in bars, every single cocktail seemed to have triple sec in it, and I was like, but it is an easy way to add citrus to a drink, and obviously alcohol doesn't really spoil, so, you know, why not? So I came up with this cocktail because I'm a great lover of Aperol, which is Campari's sweeter, sort of more orangey cousin, and it's the bitter element in this cocktail. So to make this cocktail, I'm going to need, as always, my Boston glass, and to that I'm going to add 1 shot of triple sec, 1 shot of lemon, 1 shot of Aperol. Love the colour of Aperol, very orange. And then I've got orange juice, which I'm going to add 2 shots. I'm going to add some bitters, just to give it a bit of a spicy edge. And then I'm also going to add a little tiny bit of Syrop de Gomme, because with all that acid and bitterness in there, it might be a bit tart for some people. So I'm just going to add a dash, and then I'm going to add some ice. And I'm going to give this a shake. Okay. Ooh, lost me strainer. I'm filming these episodes back to back, if you can't tell, and I don't always set up before I start, so you know. So this cocktail is served long, which means I've got my Collins glass. I'm hoping this is going to fill it. And it's also served over cubed ice. Look at the colour of that. It's almost like pink grapefruit juice. And classically unprepared, I also don't have any oranges, whereas I do have lemon, so I'm going to garnish this with a touch of lemon. And there you have it, bitter orange cocktail. Thank you for joining us. If you liked this video, please don't forget to subscribe. See you next time in the Gig House Kitchen. Bye.